In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple and effective way to enhance your Google site using announcement banners. So let's get started. This process is perfect for highlighting important updates, news, or special announcements that you want to broadcast across your site. It only takes a few minutes, and the results can significantly enhance your site's communication capabilities. First things first, let's navigate to your Google site. Just open your web browser and head to your Google site's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to be sure you're logged into the account associated with the site you're looking to update. Once you've confirmed this and you're on the correct site, we can move on to the next step. Now look for the Settings option. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll find an icon shaped like a gear. That's your Settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new menu with various options to customize your site, but today, we'll be focusing specifically on how to use the announcement banner feature. Within the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Announcement Banner. Click on this. It's the gateway to adding a banner that stretches across the top of your website, announcing anything you want your audience to know. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Show Banner. Go ahead and turn it on. This is the crucial step that activates your banner, making it visible to your site visitors. But visibility is only part of the fun. You can actually customize your banner to better fit your site's theme and grab the attention of your visitors. Directly below the toggle, you'll find options to change the background color of your banner. Feel free to experiment with different colors to see which one best fits your site's aesthetic or makes your announcement stand out. Once you're happy with the color, you can start crafting your announcement message. This is where you type in what you want to communicate, whether it's a welcome message, an offer, or just some exciting news. This field is the perfect spot for your headline. Besides the message, you also have the option to add a button label and a link. The button can direct your audience to a specific URL for more information, such as an event registration page or a new product launch. Finally, you can decide on the banner's visibility. Choose whether you want this announcement to appear on all the pages of your site or just the home page. This option helps you control the user experience, directing the message to where it will be most effective. After you've made all these adjustments and you're satisfied with the look and content of your banner, simply click away from the settings to save your changes. And just like that, you're done. Your announcement banner is now live and operational on your site. This simple yet powerful feature is now a part of your Google site, helping keep your audience informed and engaged. Thanks for joining me today, and happy site updating.